Question 10. Find equivalent circular diameter of 10-inch by 14-inch rectangular duct. So in this problem, we have a rectangular duct that's 10 inches by 14 inches. And we want to find what would be the diameter of equivalent circular duct. In order to do this, all you have to do is type in rectangular duct into your PDF file, and you'll have this formula. So diameter equivalent equals to 1.3 A and B to the power of 0.625 divided by A plus B to the power of 0.250. This equivalent diameter will have units of inches in this formula, and these variables A and B will also be in inches. So all you have to do is just plug and play with this formula. So we were given 14 multiplied by 10 to the power of 0.625 divided by 14 plus 10 to the power of 0.250. The final answer is 12.89 inches, but we'll round this off to 13 inches. And this is our final answer.